Hey, good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to another new construction community tour. Today we are here in Fort Mill, South Carolina, which is a community just over the Charlotte border, roughly 30 minutes to uptown Charlotte. Now, this is actually located in Baxter Village, which is a live, work, and play type of community located in Fort Mill, which offers the walkability to the shops in the area, as well as having a community pool and courts for the community. Now, this is a new construction community. It's just 20 townhomes built on this 2.5 acre lot. Most of Baxter Village has been completed back in the early 2000s, so they're just filling up any random lots they have available with whatever homes they can get in there. And for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Justin Yanks. I'm a realtor in the Charlotte area, helping people just like you move to the greater Charlotte area. So if you have any questions about making that move, give me a call today at 704-565-9413.
Now these 20 townhomes are all the same floor plan, which is going to be the Landen. This is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 1,879 square feet with a 2-car garage. Now most of these units are spec homes and don't have much customizable options aside from different unit choices. They are releasing these townhomes at $475,000 today, and every 3 they sell they plan on increasing them $5,000. Hope you guys enjoy these new construction home tours. The next tours I'll be doing will be the cottages at Springfield Town Center, which is in Fort Mill, and Edgewater in Lancaster, South Carolina. I also plan on doing a video on a couple more Indian Land, South Carolina communities once they have a model home to tour. See you guys next video.